Another variation for confirming your entry for actual entry point could be something that we call fractal structure. So when you will walk through the weekly recaps, through other videos, you will start to learn that it's possible to see what is happening on structural basis, but inside the candles. So for example, here we can say that the price came here with this inside structure and then started to break down based on inside structure. But also there is a fractal structure that is happening between the wicks of the candle. So let me zoom in a bit. And if you remember how the hidden S&Ds look like, so for instance, we see that between these wicks there was a move down. And so here how the price approached. Made a move down, made a move up, and a move down. Continued move down, created move up, and again move down, and just started to go like this. And then eventually here the price between these two wicks made a move up, made a move down, and made a move up again, and made a move down, made a move up, down, up, down. So you see, we now discovered that fractally this part will look like a usual fractal structure. So how can you utilize it? Well, when you see a reaction from a zone, so again, you see here you already know that you have a tap, and now you just can enter on this candle, so on a candle break, or you can wait for a fake. Fake in this way, you can use indicator, is this candle, or you can just see it by your eyes. This candle went above and closed inside the previous one. And by the way, later, of course, you will have videos. I will record videos about how better fakies can look like, because if you're looking, for example, for a down move, then it can be a bit better probability if you have a candle closest to the red, yeah, and for the other side, a candle that closes to the upside. And by the way, a quick addition to the fakies is that you can use 3 candles actually to have them as your fakies. So for example, a candle goes above the previous one, and then the next one goes below this one, but in this case it didn't close. So imagine that we are looking at this as confirmation to go up, then you have a candle low, candle that goes below, and then next one closes inside or above the previous one. So this is a fractal representation of this fakey pattern. Yeah, but coming back to fractal structure, so when you see this fractal structure, now you can basically sell stop or market execute a sell here and protect yourself either above this one or this one, because you understand that on lower time frame it's structure. So the most obvious examples would be this one and this one, or maybe even this one. So let's take a quick look how they look on lower time frames. So yeah, you see on lower time frames we have some up moves before the down moves, up moves before the down moves, and here also hidden. Let's maybe look on 30 minutes, on 15 minutes. Yeah, so these are our zones. This is our structure on lower time frames, but we don't need to go below and just can use representation between the wicks to sell stop or market execute here, for example, and then have our trade in this manner. Yeah, and again, more examples on weekly outlook. So this section is more like an intro to what you can do in your areas for confirmation.